after they got the Torah on the Pentecost day, then did the Hebrew people celebrate Passover and Pentecost in the 40 years that they were in the wilderness, or did they wait until after they crossed the Jordan and got into the Promised Land before they picked that up? Because I'm wondering if they did celebrate them in the wilderness, where did they get their grain offerings and their, all the animal offerings that they needed?
That's a Rabbi Jack. Rabbi Jack is looking, going, oh, this is good.
This is so good.
This is kind of a compound question, but I was just wondering about that. Did they celebrate did they have their barley and their wheat offerings while they were going through the wilderness?
Hardy, it's a great question. I appreciate your calling in from Orange County. Here's what we do know. The feasts and festivals discussed in Leviticus 23, when God not only told the people to observe the Passover, observe the Pentecost, and of course the other feasts and festivals, First Fruits, Feast of Trumpets, etc., he specifically gave instructions to those people in Leviticus 23, but if you get the dating of it, you're right. These folks are still wandering in the wilderness. The instructions that God gave the people at that time to celebrate the feasts and festivals were primarily for when they would enter the land. If you read Leviticus 23 very, very carefully, you'll see that as God is giving these instructions, he's saying, when you enter the land that I am giving you, then I want you to celebrate these festivals, which then, however, Hardy, brings up another question, which is, okay, God, if you don't want me doing this yet, why are you telling me now? I'm going to forget in 40 years. And of course, the answer to that question is that God wanted to prepare the people. Because if we look at the significance of the biblical feasts, they're all about preparation. The Feast of Trumpets was to prepare the people for one day when God would come and blow the trumpet for real. It's all preparation. It's all rehearsal. And that's why God said what he did. I appreciate your question.